My name is Claire Nicholas, and my role at the Sam Noble Museum is Assistant Curator of Ethnology. I'm trained as a sociocultural anthropologist, and I also hold a faculty position in the Department of Anthropology here at OU. So ethnology is the comparative study of global culture. What I mean by that is the study of human differences and diversity across the spectrum of human experience, but also the things that we share. What this means for a museum collection is that we're particularly interested in material culture, so the things that people make and the different ways that they use those things. And in practical terms, we're interested in, particularly in living and contemporary cultural groups. The ethnology collection at the museum is actually comprised of 3 distinct collections. There's the ethnology collection proper, and that has about 10,000 cultural belongings from people across the world. Then we also steward a small collection of classical antiquities. This is about 1,300 objects, mostly from classical Greece and Rome. And finally, we have an art collection, which has about 1,000 works, and that's more or less evenly split between naturalist art, especially the work of George Sutton, who was the ornithology curator. And the other half of that art collection is 20th and 21st century Native North American art by both established and emerging indigenous artists. There is a current exhibit at the museum that is partially drawn from the ethnology collection that visitors should definitely check out. It's called Flight Lines: The Art of Natural History at OU. And the exhibit pairs student work from the School of Visual Arts, students that were in the emerging scientific visualization track, paired with naturalist art from the ethnology collection. There's work of 3 very important bird illustrators of the 20th century, Luis Agassiz Fuertes, George Sutton, and Francis Lee Jaques. And there's a really interesting dialogue between the student work and the professional work. And I think it shows an interesting continuity, but also some differences between past and future scientific illustration. That is going to be open through Thanksgiving weekend. Here in Ethnology, we're always happy to answer questions from the public. We like to invite people into the collection for tours. We're happy to facilitate your research. So please don't hesitate to reach out to myself or to the Ethnology Collections Manager, Ella Crenshaw. Both of our names and email addresses are on the website. You can also check out some of the web pages for the Ethnology collection. And we have information about our Maya textiles as well as other areas of the collection. And we look forward to hearing from you.